So are you curious about what the experts recommend to protect your lungs? Because while we all know the basics, like avoiding smoking and staying clear of secondhand smoke, there's more to maintaining healthy lungs and smooth breathing. So today we are talking about the 12 ways to protect your lungs recommended by a pulmonologist and sleep doctor approved. Let's get started. Way number 1 is avoid environmental triggers. As a pulmonologist, one of the first things I recommend my patients do is to avoid any environmental triggers that could irritate their lungs or make it difficult for them to breathe. Now, pollution, dust, smoke, and other allergens can all cause inflammation and irritation in the airways, leading to coughing, wheezing, or difficulty breathing. And this is especially important for those who already have lung conditions such as asthma or COPD. However, sometimes we cannot avoid these triggers. For example, outdoor air pollution. But there are some tips that can help you reduce your exposure to these triggers. First, use air purifiers at home and at work to remove pollutants and allergens from the air. Check if your air purifier has a high-efficiency particulate air filter, which can trap pollutants like smoke and ozone. Second, wear a mask when necessary. When the air quality is poor, consider wearing a mask to help prevent the inhalation of harmful particles. This is especially important for those who are at risk for lung conditions. For example, children, older adults, and people with asthma. Third, try to avoid outdoor activities during peak pollution hours. If possible, stay indoors during the times when pollution levels are at their highest, usually late at night and early in the morning. Finally, pay attention to air quality alerts from local authorities and stay indoors when advised. During extreme weather conditions, the air quality can deteriorate rapidly. So it's important to pay attention to these alerts and take the necessary precautions. Remember, by taking steps to avoid environmental triggers, you can help keep your lungs healthy and reduce your risk of developing lung conditions. Way number 2 is quit smoking and avoid secondhand smoke. Cigarettes contain nicotine, which is highly addictive. It also contains harmful chemicals that can damage your lungs and airways over time. The smoke from these cigarettes can trigger inflammation and irritation in the lungs, making it difficult to breathe. Secondhand smoke, also known as passive smoke, can have the same damaging effects on your lungs. It's important to remember that even if you don't smoke yourself, you can still be affected by secondhand smoke if you're around people who do. That's why it's important to avoid smoking and secondhand smoke in order to protect your lungs. Some tips to help you quit smoking. Find support from friends and family. Tell your loved ones about your decision to quit and ask for their support. Join a support group or talk to a counselor or therapist. Consider using medications or nicotine replacement therapies. These can help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms. Make lifestyle changes. Engage in activities that don't involve smoking and explore new hobbies. Reward yourself for milestones achieved. Celebrate your progress and reward yourself for reaching milestones. Remember, quitting smoking is a journey, and it may take time. Don't be discouraged if you experience setbacks, and always seek professional help if you need it. There are resources available to help you quit smoking and protect your lungs. Way number 3, practice breathing exercises. Certain breathing exercises can help strengthen your lungs and improve your breathing capacity. One such exercise is deep breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Another exercise is pursed lip breathing. Inhale through your nose, and then purse your lips as if you were about to blow out a candle, and exhale slowly through those pursed lips. These exercises can help increase lung capacity and improve breathing efficiency. And they're also beneficial for people with certain lung conditions. Additionally, yoga, which often incorporates deep breathing exercises, has been shown to improve lung function and reduce stress. Practicing these breathing exercises regularly can help maintain healthy lungs and improve overall respiratory health. Way number 4 is stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining healthy lungs because water helps thin the mucus in your respiratory system. It's making it easier to breathe. When you're dehydrated, the mucus in your lungs can become thick and sticky, which can lead to coughing and difficulty breathing. Drinking enough water will keep the mucus thin and flowing, allowing oxygen to reach your lungs more easily. Additionally, staying hydrated is essential for overall health and well-being. It helps transport nutrients to your cells, regulate body temperature, and remove waste products. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and kidney problems, which can impact your ability to exercise and maintain an active lifestyle. Some tips to help you stay hydrated include setting reminders to drink water throughout the day, carrying a water bottle with you, and choosing water over sugary drinks. By staying hydrated, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes and maintain healthy lungs. Also, warm fluids like soups and teas can be particularly soothing for the respiratory system. The steam can help open up the airways, and the warmth can help thin the mucus. Way number 5. Get quality sleep. Getting quality sleep is important for maintaining healthy lungs because sleep helps your body repair and restore itself, which is essential for overall health and well-being. During sleep, your body produces proteins that help repair tissues and strengthen your immune system, which can help protect against lung infections. Additionally, sleep helps regulate hormones that control inflammation in the body. Poor sleep can lead to increased inflammation, which can contribute to lung diseases such as asthma and COPD. Some tips to help you get quality sleep include establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensuring that your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Good sleep is an important part of maintaining healthy lungs and overall well-being. Way number 6. Strengthen immunity with nutrition. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can help boost your immune system and protect against lung infections and diseases. One important nutrient is vitamin C, which is found in citrus fruits, strawberries, and leafy greens. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and support the immune system. Another important nutrient is antioxidants, which are found in fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Antioxidants can help protect the lungs from damage caused by pollution and other environmental toxins. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in fatty fish and flax seeds, have anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect against lung diseases such as asthma and COPD. It's also important to avoid processed foods and sugar, which can weaken the immune system and make it harder for your body to fight off infections. By eating a healthy diet, you can help support your immune system and protect your lungs. Way number 7. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help strengthen your lungs and improve your breathing capacity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio workouts per week. These workouts should include activities like brisk walking, cycling, or jogging. Exercise can help increase lung capacity, improve cardiovascular health, and boost the immune system, all of which are important for maintaining healthy lungs. It's important to stay active, even if you experience mild breathing difficulties. However, if you have severe breathing problems, consult with your healthcare provider before starting a new exercise program. You can start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. Remember, even small increases in physical activity can make a big difference for your lung health. Way number 8. Manage allergies and asthma. If you have allergies or asthma, it's important to work with your healthcare provider to develop a management plan that works for you. This may involve avoiding triggers, using prescribed medications such as inhalers, and getting vaccinations. Allergies and asthma can make it difficult to breathe, and it's important to take steps to manage these conditions and prevent them from worsening. Inhalers are commonly used to treat asthma and other respiratory conditions. They deliver medication directly to the lungs, which can help open up the airways and make it easier to breathe. Preventive care is also an important part of managing allergies and asthma. This can include avoiding triggers, getting vaccinated, and following your treatment plan as prescribed by your healthcare provider. By taking these steps, you can help keep your lungs healthy and prevent respiratory conditions from getting worse. Way number 9. Regular medical checkups. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are essential for maintaining healthy lungs. During these visits, your healthcare provider will perform tests such as a lung function test, which can help identify any issues with your breathing or lung capacity. Early detection of any problems can make a big difference in terms of treatment options and outcomes. Additionally, regular checkups allow your healthcare provider to monitor any existing lung conditions and make adjustments to your treatment plan as needed. This is especially important for people at risk for lung diseases such as smokers or those with a history of respiratory infections. Remember, prevention and early intervention are key to maintaining healthy lungs and preventing lung diseases from progressing. Way number 10. Steam inhalation. Steam inhalation can help soothe irritated airways and loosen mucus, making it easier to breathe. To do this, Boil water, pour it into a bowl, cover your head in the bowl with a towel, and inhale the steam. You can add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to the bowl for added relief. Eucalyptus oil has a soothing effect on the respiratory system and can help open up the airways. Be careful when handling hot water and always test the temperature of the steam on your wrist before inhaling. Now, way number 11, natural remedies. Several natural remedies can help soothe the respiratory system and make it easier to breathe. One popular remedy is ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the airways. To make ginger tea, simply boil water, add grated ginger and honey to taste, and then steep the mixture for 10 to 15 minutes. Another remedy is turmeric milk. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Mix turmeric powder with warm milk and drink it before bedtime for a soothing effect on the respiratory system. You can also try herbal supplements such as elderberry or echinacea, which are known for their immune-boosting properties. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before taking any herbal supplements, especially if you're taking any medications. Finally, way number 12, final expert advice. If you're concerned about your lung health or have any signs or symptoms of a respiratory condition, it's important to consult with a pulmonologist, a specialist in lung health. A pulmonologist can perform tests to assess your lung function and diagnose any underlying conditions. It's also important to be aware of what to watch out for. Signs of trouble breathing, persistent coughing, wheezing, or shortness of breath may indicate a problem with your lungs or respiratory system. Additionally, a sudden increase in the severity of asthma or COPD symptoms may require medical attention. Consulting with a pulmonologist and being aware of potential issues can help ensure that you receive the appropriate care and treatment for any lung-related concerns. Remember, your lungs are vital for your overall health and well-being. Taking steps to protect them is an investment in your future.